how's everyone doing? I hope well. Down here in, actually in downtown Seattle today, and I got something a little special. Now, I used to eat this place every Tuesday when I was at another job site, and it's from TAT'S Delicatessen. Now, I looked up their food truck, and apparently they're only run their food truck on weekends, but I didn't see it on the schedule. So I got the Pastrami with Pastrami sandwich, the 8-inch. I can open the damn thing. I haven't had this sandwich in a while. There it is. It's pastrami, Swiss cheese, on with Russian dressing. I'll give you a look at it here after I get a bite. Now on the menu it comes with coleslaw, but I'm not a real big fan of cabbage. And I got a music show going across over there. I hope the mic's not picking it up. But there she is, pastrami. Wow. Super drippy. Oh man. They had a whole bunch of other things on the menu too, which I'm gonna do a menu shot here in this video at some point. I got a paper menu I can show you, but I want to find a shady place to do it. Oh man. I'm gonna give you a closer look at it. So here it is. That's grilled pastrami, Swiss, Russian dressing, and they have really good, really killer rolls. I had to use a napkin because it was kind of dripping, but just a really phenomenal sandwich. So let me get back to eating, and I'll tell you what, color me happy, man. Damn, they have such a good sandwich. It was worth the gas, and I was actually going to pay for parking, but their machine wasn't working, so I couldn't. So I was just hoping I wasn't going to get a ticket or anything, but it would have been worth it. Alrighty, sandwich gone. In a word, phenomenal. It was so good. Almost wish I had another one. I don't think I could eat a whole nother sandwich, though. I'd be really hurting. So I'm pleasantly full. Tasted really good. I will be back for more sometime down the road. Maybe I'll come get a meatball sandwich, because I do love meatballs. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. I don't forget to check the playlist. There'll be an end card for it. Alright, see ya. A car was driving on the sidewalk. What was he thinking? Alright, let's go over the menu. See their hours here. So they have cheesesteaks. No, I haven't had the cheesesteaks. They're really good. Had them off the food truck. They have a cheesesteak, chicken cheesesteak, pizza steak, and a hoagie steak. I think I just had the cheesesteak. It was phenomenal. They have hoagies. I believe are cold sandwiches. I've never had them, but well, another truck. Busy here. I'm close. I'm parked nearby work, and it's a heavy trucking area. I'll serve subbed on a Italian roll with lettuce, tomato, onion, pickle, seasoning, mayo. Excuse me. So they have an Italian in-house smoked turkey, Cajun turkey, in-house roast beef, club sandwich, honey, ham and cheese, chicken, tuna, or egg, BLT, and a roasted veggie. Of course, I'm going to be linking their website as well. I believe it's TAT'SDeli.com. Going to put that in there. Excuse me. They have breakfast at 8 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So you got egg and cheese, pepper, egg and cheese, ham and egg, bacon and eggs, sausage egg, Italian coppa ham, peppers, eggs, steak and eggs, home fries, chugga tea. So they have some catering information that they do cater. They got the hot subs and specialties. They got the Pastrami, which is what I had. In-house pastrami, melted Swiss, Reuben dressing, and sweet coleslaw, but I said no coleslaw. They got one, but it's a turkey, Tat's grinder, hot turkey, sausage, meatball, which I'm really curious about because I do love a good meatball sandwich, and they're kind of hard to get a hold of. Not impossible, just got to go look for them. A hot pastrami sandwich, which sounds pretty good. New Yorker, which is pastrami and corned beef, which sounds interesting, on rye bread. They have a Reuben chicken parmesan, crispy chicken club, chicken bacon ranch, twin burger sub, kosher dog, which is just a Hebrew national on a bun. It's like, alright, I can do that at home. Eggplant parmesan. They got soups. Soup of the day, or Tat's stout chili. I've never had their soup or salad. They got sides. They got potato salad, macaroni salad, slaw, house antipesto, chopped salad or a house salad, and then they got sides. Authentic buffalo wings, chicken strips, fresh cut fries, Tim's chips, and they also serve TC cakes. Then you just got your drink menu, which I brought my own, so